Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase conversions with Wix, beginner guide step by step clearly. To increase conversions with Wix, start by understanding your target audience. Research their needs, preferences, and pain points. This information will guide your website design and content. Next, choose a template that aligns with your brand and audience. Wix offers various customizable templates. Select one that is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Once your template is selected, focus on creating clear and compelling calls to action. Use contrasting colors and prominent placement to make these buttons stand out. Next, ensure your website is mobile-friendly. Many users browse on mobile devices, so responsive design is crucial. Visit the mobile editor and upload high-quality images and graphics throughout your site. Visuals greatly influence user engagement and perceptions of quality. Incorporate testimonials and reviews to build trust with your visitors. Social proof can significantly affect buying decisions. Set up an email marketing integration to capture leads. Utilize Wix's built-in tools to create sign-up forms. Offer incentives, like discounts or exclusive content, to encourage sign-ups. Make sure your checkout process is seamless if you have an online store. Minimize the number of steps required to complete a purchase. Consider adding guest checkout options to reduce cart abandonment. Use analytics tools provided by Wix to track user behavior. Monitor which pages have high bounce rates or low conversions. Based on this data, make informed adjustments to improve performance. Utilize Wix's SEO features to enhance your site's visibility. Optimize your site for relevant keywords to attract organic traffic. Finally, regularly test and update your website for the best results. A/B testing can help determine which changes lead to higher conversions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.